You guys, I have not been on here in a very long time. My poor plants are doing horribly. Can you guys see that? The weather, we got snow here in South Carolina, and yeah, my plants barely surviving. The broccoli did not do good, as you guys can see. I haven't been over here in a very long time, simply because it has been extremely cold. So yeah, stuff is looking a little crazy. Let me show you guys what it's looking like in the back, and I'll show you guys. I'll go back up front so you guys can see the broccoli. All right, so this is what it's looking like back here. I mean, this one is doing really good. This one's doing good, but other stuff is looking kind of sad. But the temperatures are not going to drop below 30 from now on, like at night. So I'm good. Last night was the coldest night, the last coldest night for a very long time. You guys can see it's not gonna be cold anytime soon at night, or the low isn't gonna be that cold. So I'm about to just leave everything uncovered from now on, and I'm also about to water everything. But the broccoli, I wish I could actually have my own, like, keep an eye on this stuff myself, but I gotta come all the way over to my sister's house. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a long time, I have to travel to my sister's house and garden at her house. But yeah, let me go back to the front so you guys can see what that broccoli was looking like. All right, so this is what the broccoli is looking like. Very sad, very sad. And I couldn't water it. I mean, I guess I could have took the water from out of the house. I didn't even think of that, but you know, the hose was frozen, and yeah, there's that. But I am about to water everything, because you know what, I'm just water everything. I'm gonna water everything. I'm gonna take that plastic off and put it away, and you know, we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. So even though my fall/winter garden isn't doing so great, I am extremely excited about my spring/summer garden. I'm going to start my seeds maybe mid-February. I don't know. We'll see. But I do want to get them started. I'm not sure if I mentioned this in a previous video, but I will be gone for a very long time away from my plants, and my family will be taking care of them. And yes, I did already threaten them and said, you guys better not send my plants to the upper room, because I will not be happy. But anyways, for my spring/summer garden, I do plan on planting the following, you guys: cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers again. My sister wants to do strawberries, and I'm going to either do this melon or a watermelon. I can't remember the one melon that I got, but I don't know 100% sure of what I am going to, which one of the melons I'm going to do, either watermelons or, again, I can't remember the name of it. But yeah, I don't know if I said, did I already say strawberries? I don't know, but my sister wants to do strawberries. I feel like I already said that. And then, oh yeah, I have onions and potatoes that I have to plant. So, and then that should be it. I am going to have my husband put my other raised bed together, probably March-ish. He might put it together. I'll take it over to my sister's house. Well, he said he has to put it together at my sister's house because it's a bigger one. But I do have all of my plants uncovered. There's nothing covered anymore. Did y'all see me almost bite the dust? But anyways, I am done watering. It is freezing out here still. My hands are freezing, even though I had like gloves up under these, like cotton gloves. Sorry you guys, I had to take those off because my hands are freezing. I need to put my mittens on. But yeah, I watered that stuff. I am going to start my seeds next month for my spring garden. So February, I gotta look back and see when I started them last year. I'm in zone 8A in South Carolina, and I do believe I could start my seeds next month, February, but I can't remember the exact date. I'm starting them indoors, so I'm gonna start my seeds indoors and then take them out. The only thing is I have a trip coming up in March, the middle of March, and through April. I'm gonna be gone for like a while, and I'm gonna make sure that my family keeps up with my seedlings and keep watering them and everything, hopefully. And then we shall see. we should see what happens. But I'm still going to do my seeds starting next month. Again, I got to look at my old videos to see when I started them. And I did buy the Farmer's Almanac and things, you guys. So I am ready for this summer and this spring. I'm ready for my garden. I am determined to get things to grow. I have read books. I'm still reading these books. I'm still watching videos. I'm still researching stuff. So I am determined to get this gardening thing correct. Oh yeah, and for Christmas, was it Christmas? Yeah, for Christmas, my husband bought me another raised bed like that, but it's a higher one, and I don't remember what color it is. I can't remember. It's still in the box, and I can't remember what I chose, if I wanted a pink one or was it silver like this. I honestly cannot remember, but once he puts it together and once the summer comes, you guys will see it later. But yeah, that's all for this video for now. I don't have much to say. I hope your gardening did well this fall/winter. When that snow came, I was like, oh, it's it for all my plants. That's it for all my plants. It's just over. But anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.